It's a late 40s Maytag 72. This engine is almost as I found it, except I had to replace the fuel tank because the fuel tank had been damaged. I did put the little muffler on it because it was up till the last few days on my washing machine. Now it's a little cold here in Tennessee. It's in the 20s. I don't know how hard this thing will be to start, but we will give it a shot. This one is running on Coleman fuel. I like Coleman fuel. It burns clean. The engine's running real smooth. It's expensive, but it's worth it. So she'll start. Waco's okay, but I prefer the eyes. The eyes are just easier. Runs real smooth. This is in the condition I got. I've not even cleaned it since I've had it. Like I said, it's on a Waco mag. The only thing that I have replaced in this thing is the points. The Wacos, I don't know, their points are not the best, not the first ones they had. But I found a set of new old stock points and it runs great.